Hi District 91, it's Rupa Dutta here with my penultimate address to you in a district members newsletter for the 2022-23 programme year. In about 9 days' time, it is our district conference taking place over the weekend of the 12th to the 14th of May in the City of London across 2 venues. Now, this is an opportunity for all of you to get involved, be it online or in person, with the wider community of our district. We will be enjoying the 4 district finals for our speech contests. There will be some keynotes, workshops, plenty of networking opportunities, and of course, our Gala dinner and Hall of Fame taking place on Saturday the 13th of May in the evening. The District Council is where you get the opportunity to have your say in the future of your district, but also see leadership and democracy in action. That's our annual general meeting as a district. Which makes me think of when I first joined Toastmasters just over 6 years ago. I had the opportunity quite early on in my Toastmasters career to be invited to step onto my club's committee. And that probably was the turning point for me. We are now in club officer election season, and hopefully by now you've been told the date of your club's annual business meeting. And perhaps you're considering taking a role to ensure that your club is healthy and gets through the next Toastmasters programme year. This is my personal message to you, that it doesn't matter whether you've been a member for 1 day or 10 years. If you're a little bit curious and want to help out, step forward, leap into leadership, and I promise you the rewards will be fantastic. We're at that point in the year though where, let's not lie about it, some of us can feel a little bit burnt out. We're doing fantastically well as a district, and we've already achieved some of our key goals, but that doesn't mean that we're not a little bit tired as we head towards that finish line on the 30th of June. And this weekend just gone, Hilary Briggs, who was our first district governor when District 91 was formed almost 10 years ago, stopped by and ran a session for some of your district leaders in terms of us seeing the finish line, remembering what our goals are, clearing that fog so that we could focus on the main things. And I'm going to invite you to do the same. What were your personal goals for this Toastmasters year? If you're a relatively new member, what are your personal goals and what can you perhaps achieve in the next 8 weeks? At club level, how are you doing in terms of the Distinguished Club programme and what do you need to focus on? Because every member contributes to the success of the club. With that, I'd like to say have a good 4 weeks. I hope to see some of you next weekend at our conference and interact with you personally. And if you've never been involved in a new club, there's a different kind of energy that is involved in that experience, and there's plenty of that activity currently taking place. So I'm personally looking for help with the demonstration meetings and open houses that we're having. Get in touch, find out, and focus on the energy.